I just checked that helium. That's why my voice is like this. Okay, I think it's wearing off now. Yeah. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be filming a luxury shopping and dinner party. It's my sister's birthday vlog. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So we're now in the lift. We're going to Harrods to buy my sister's gift, and then we are going where are we going? Guys, so we are now in Harrods. We are buying a gift for my sister. So yeah, we're just in Dior. So she really likes the book tote, so we actually thought of this one as well, but it's like see-through, so kind of eliminated that one. Or there's this one, but I don't know whether it's her style. But yeah, there's like obviously the classics, Lady. And then you've got some nice jewelry here. And you've got some fashion jewelry here. You've got sunglasses there. Then you've got some other bags. Trying on the bag now. It's like super cute. Yeah. I think that looks cute. Yeah. So we actually decided to get earrings as well. So these are asymmetric. So there's like a star and then the CD logo on one side. So yeah, they're quite cute. Yeah. Here it is. Yes, so we're getting that with the bag. We finally got the bag, but it doesn't come with a box, which is just shocking. We can go through here. So yeah, where's my sister going? Okay, we're literally walking through the gift shop because we're gonna get it gift wrapped so that it actually gets a box. And yeah, we're looking at like the little gifts. They're so cute. The bag is literally just under this paper, which just makes no sense to me. So it's just in a dust bag, and then you have the bag here. And then, so we're going to put it in the extra large box because it doesn't fit. So you can choose the wrapping paper, which is what we're doing now. Sparkly paper, and then like a pink or gold ribbon. The gold one is cute, but then gold on gold, I'm not too sure. Sorry, white on gold. Okay, white on gold is fine. Look at my sister cussing me on the side. I'm joking, she's just correcting. Yeah, what do you think? Yeah. Okay, cool. This paper and then chose is limited stock, so we're gonna choose this one instead with the pink ribbon.
Yeah, I think my Harrods membership I get it.
So we're just gonna go run a quick errand to the bank, and then we're gonna go to my sister's house. We just left Harrods, by the way. We're gonna go to my sister's house. We left the bag and the earrings at the gift wrapping service, but it's like an hour wait because they're super busy apparently. So we're gonna come back in an hour and we'll show you the final product, but that's done for the luxury shopping. Sprinting ahead because it's raining and she doesn't have a hood, but I do. This hood is like huge. Honestly, this is the best coat ever. Yeah, so we've just finished running our errands. So we're gonna go to Topshop because funnily enough, I don't have a dress. I mean, I have dresses that I haven't worn before, but at the time I liked them, but I don't really like them anymore. So I just want like other options. So I'm probably gonna buy a dress today. So we're gonna go to Topshop while we wait for the dress to be ready. So the Topshop in House of CB doesn't have the biggest selection, but we're just going to chance it and hope we do find some good stuff. So it turns out it's not here at all. So either it's not here or it's downstairs. So we're just going to check downstairs. If not, I'll be so upset. No, but I can just go later. The point is we just need to get to my sister's house before she comes back from her hair appointment so we can hide the gift so she doesn't see it because she doesn't know what she's getting. So they actually moved it, so yeah, there's no House of CB here. I don't know, I think we're just gonna wait around. What should we do? Should we just go to Harrods and chill there? Yes, we're just gonna look around. Obviously we've got some time while we're waiting for the stuff. To be honest, I didn't see anything that I like. Topshop is really not it at the moment. Ooh, these earrings are actually cute. But I don't really like high street jewelry. This white, I love basic stuff. This white jumper looks cute. Oh, hell no. Do you know what? I hate it when stores do this. You see something that's nice and it's got some like dumb writing on it and some dumb graphic. Since we've got time to kill, we're just gonna go to the shoe heaven and just look at shoes and chill while we wait. Oh, so I tried these on. They are literally so beautiful. Okay, my trousers do not go with the shoes that I'm wearing. Actually, they could. Yeah. Oh, they are so cute. Oh my gosh. I love them. Love it, love it, love it. Hey. So I'm gonna try the 39.5 because they're a tiny bit big. So I tried a 40. There's like quite a bit of space at the front. This is the 39.5. Yeah, still looks sick. Oh. Yeah, and it fits a lot better. Yeah. Like there's still, it's like, it feels like a normal shoe. Yeah. So this box is literally huge and it's got like a huge ribbon. So this is the gift and she won't know what it is because it's just in a Harrods bag because we're not gonna give her the Dior bag till after. So yeah. So we're walking to my sister's house now. Got gift in hand. So I'm at my sister's house now. She literally wants no one to see like the setup for tonight and she's got like loads of people in the living room and stuff. So yeah, I'm literally just eating the like leftover Park Chinois that she had for dinner. You know when you plan everything but then everything goes wrong? So I ended up in Topshop and now I've bought a dress from House of CB. You'll see it tonight. I couldn't even show you properly because it was so bad. It's so sweaty, but I finally made it back to my sister's. Literally everything went wrong today. So I'm just gonna shower, get ready, and then I'll show you guys what I look like.
A few moments later.
Let's see. Look at these balloons. Sexy 35. Oui? Oh hey! Place cards. Menus. We've got gifts for guests. We've got the flowers. We've got the candles. We've got the flowers. Yeah. Yes. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. Attends, de quoi tu m'avais demandé pour... Cindy. Bon Charlie, vas-y.
Là, je suis excitée là.
Et vous posez des questions, vous répondez comme des babous.
Donc tu as menti? Oui. choose your own gift.
Thank you.
Some wine as well. Charlie? Oh yes, please. He still doesn't know.
Ooh, okay.
Oh, merci.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Oh, maman, c'était
Oh wow. Ok. Elle a bien gardé le secret. Waouh.
Est-ce qu'elle a bien gardé le secret?
Voilà la chaîne qu'il y a avec.
Waouh.
Non, mais il y a un truc qui met sa ceinture en plus.
Ah, tu vas dire une ceinture as a belt bag. Ah, ok.
On te fait un petit cadeau. Vraiment, on savait pas que.
Ouais.
On savait pas que.
C'est pas grave.
Ouais.
Attends.
So let me open like this.
What is this?
Wow.
Okay, what is this? Ouvrir le cadeau.
Je vais mettre la chaîne.
Ouais.
This is my. I'm adding it to my Jacquemus collection, and this one is actually Crocs, so it's not the same one, and it's grey. We literally always tell my mom that she has a big mouth and stuff.
Là, elle sert.
All along that we were getting gifts. So. She was, I'm sitting on a bad boy piece of information. Bisous.
So at the starter here we have the Sabayon grilled lobster with mixed leaf truffle salads. Let's dig in.
Let's dig in. Always place the napkin facing inwards so that you can wipe things, and your nap down here, and the napkin still looks clean. So, and then obviously shoulders back, sitting down, and always go from outside in, but that everybody already knows. So, yeah.
Toujours la marque Harrods continue.
Je savais.
Je savais pas que tu mens. Tu dis, ok, maintenant si t'avais acheté un truc, tu allais faire comment? Hey! If you love me, what is it? If you adore me, Dior me.
Maman m'a eu, hein.
Avec un sponsor spécialisé.
I don't want drama. My girl got finesse, Caribbean flex.
Birthday to you. Joyeux anniversaire, Cindy. L'amour de l'amour. Voilà.
Hey guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Honestly, we had such a good time. I was literally so full. I could not eat the cake, but it was a red velvet and it looked really good. So thank you so much for watching, and see you at my next video.